So, hey, Adam here again, and I'm meeting with some wonderful people from the City of Waterbury. Did I say that right?
Yes. You did.
Waterbury. Okay. And we have Bruce, Laurie, and Patrick. So you just spent some time here this morning. It's lunchtime now. We just had some food. Let's talk about Patrick. What are some of the things that you've loved, connections you made, that sort of thing? Anything spring to mind?
I would just say that the chance to talk to other clients and not just the vendors, but Infor themselves, just to have these one-on-one interactions very casually.
Yeah.
As a city of only 4,000 people or so, it's strange to think that we're just such a small client in this ecosystem. Having conversations with hospital systems that have tens of thousands of employees and whatnot. So the perspective on what they're doing in the Infor ecosystem is really insightful for us, because they have gone down so many projects and have so many tips ready-made for us. It's something that I feel like you can't easily Google or look up, because you can have a dynamic conversation and get some real insight. And it's the thing. So I just spent 2 days in Hartford with UConn. That's where I was, UConn Health. I'm a healthcare guy. And they said the same thing, right? So we had UConn, UNC, Maine Health, Northern Light, all from Northeast, all these hospital systems. And they all sat there and they just chitted and chatted, and they said exactly what you said. So Laurie, anything that you got out of this that you found profound?
I just think it's amazing to be able to talk to everyone about, we're going to go to the cloud, the implementation, and being able to go back and forth with questions. How did you do this? Did you regret it? Would you wish you had done it a different way? And just to have that interaction with people and learn from them, I think that's a great resource right there.
Yeah, and I think someone said to me at one of these events that I got more out of this than reading all the KBs and all the articles.
Absolutely, yes.
Yeah, because it's real life, it's people. KBs are okay, right? You're listening, Infor. KBs are okay. I work for you and I know, but it's this sharing and everything. Bruce, last final words.
So I've been coming to these events for over the 18 years that I've been with the city, and this is important. Again, as you said, the KBs are fine. We can read them, but we don't get to interpret them the same way maybe the person who wrote it, who's here maybe telling us, hey, oh, by the way, look at this, this, and this, because this is the most important piece of this 7-page article. So that's important to us. And actually seeing some of what the future is, right? I mean, we're learning a little bit about what Infor has in mind.
Good AI presentation today, wasn't it?
Fantastic,
Yeah.
really fantastic. And everybody's buzzword today, but it's the reality of get on board or it's going to move past you. So
Bruce has been coming for 18 years. Thank you for your service.
Yeah, for sure.
Appreciate that. Yeah. Thank you very much. And there it is. So that's a wrap. We've talked to a lot of people. Infor TV, over and out.